One.
Hi guys, this is Coach Vogel again with Coach O'Neill on the camera and Coach Gruntrump over here off to the side, teaching you another lesson on throwing and catching. What I want you to try to remember is think about all the sports Americans play and think about all the skills you have to do in those sports, or think about the games that you make up. Throwing and catching are going to be probably the two most important skills that you use. So it's really important that you try hard and work hard about getting to be as good at throwing and as good about catching as you can. Today we're going to be working on our overhand throw. And with the overhand throw, there are 4 things that we want to be really careful that we do every time we throw. The first one is an L arm position. If you look at my little dude here, his arm makes kind of an L. And the second thing is you want to have a body turn, so you turn sideways. So he puts his arm out here, and he is actually pointing at his target with that arm, and his body kind of makes the letter T. So make a T. The third thing is we always want to step with your opposite foot. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to step with my left foot. If I were left-handed, I would step with my right foot. And the final thing is that after I'm done throwing, I don't want to stop my arm and freeze it. I want my arm to continue on through with a follow through. So L, turn, to throw, follow through. Now let me show you what that looks like with my body. If I'm going to throw, today we're using softballs. If I'm going to throw a softball, I'm going to make an L with that. My arm makes the L shape. Then the next part of it is I'm going to turn my sideways so that my non-throwing arm, I can point at my target. I make the letter T with my body, and I'm sideways to my target. L, turn. Now, I'm forced to step. The only way I can do this is step with my opposite foot and throw at the same time. My arm and the ball move with my foot. L, turn, to throw, and when I let go of the ball, I keep my arm going with a follow through. So those are the things we want to do every time we're throwing today. And today we're going to go back to our using of our laundry basket again as our target. And like last time, we're going to do step back throwing. So first I'm going to get 5 steps, and I'm going to see how many throws out of 5 can I do when I'm throwing the ball at my target. And I want you to remember this. Don't aim. Every time you throw the ball, I want you to throw the ball or your sock. I want you to throw it hard. Don't soften up on it. Don't lighten up on it. Even though we're pretty close, I still want you throwing it hard. So L, turn, to throw. I'm not trying to put it in the basket. That was just pure luck. I just want to hit the basket. L, turn, to throw, and follow through. L, turn, to throw, and I want to hit my basket. L, turn, to throw. L, turn, to throw. Okay, that was 5. That was 5 from 5 steps back. Now I would reload. Sorry if I'm getting out of the picture, getting too close. Now I'm going to reload, and I'm going to go 7 steps back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I would repeat the same thing. L, turn, to throw. Remember, I'm not aiming, I'm throwing pretty hard. L, turn, to throw. L, turn, to throw. L, turn, to throw. L, turn, to throw. And I want to do that from 5 steps, 7 steps, and then 10 steps. And you can repeat that and do that as many times as you like. If you have space outside, you could just grab a laundry basket, go outside, and use a tennis ball. So, today, I want you to remember the important things from today's lesson about the overhand throw is how important the skill is, and the 4 things that we always have to do to make an overhand throw. Make an L with our arm, turn, make a T with our body, step with our opposite foot, and throw the ball at the same time, and follow through. Thanks, and have fun practicing your throwing.